According to industry insights, LTIMindtree is being touted as the potential next Infosys, while Coforge is predicted to follow a trajectory akin to Cognizant. Analysts are keeping a keen eye on these mid-cap companies, anticipating substantial growth that could reshape the IT landscape. The unexpected resignation of Infosys CFO, Nilanjan Roy, has sent shockwaves through the market, leading to a decline in Infosys share price by over 1%. The departure prompts speculation and raises questions about the company's future financial strategies. In a noteworthy shift, India has surpassed Hong Kong, securing its position as the world's 7th largest stock market. This milestone reflects the robust growth and resilience of the Indian financial ecosystem on the global stage. A recent Motilal Oswal report highlights Trent Limited's outstanding revenue growth, attributing it to factors such as healthy same-store sales growth, robust footprint additions, and a promising scale-up opportunity in Zudio. This positions Trent Limited as a significant player with a substantial growth runway in the coming years. Bloomberg's latest stocks to watch on the 12th include Infosys, Canara Bank, Dixon Tech, RVNL, Sterling and Wilson, Wipro, DLF, and J&K Bank. The spotlight on these companies indicates potential market-moving events and strategic shifts that investors need to monitor closely. Breaking news. Ind Infravit Trust has declared a distribution of 4.22 rupees per unit, and investors can expect the payment on or before the 25th of December 2023. The record date for this significant announcement is set for the 19th of December 2023. Financial buzz. Easy Trip Planners Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.10 rupees per share. The payment is scheduled on or before the 10th of January 2024, and shareholders should mark the record date on the 19th of December 2023. Mark your calendars. R Systems International Limited has set the record date for considering an interim dividend on the 13th of December 2023. Investors are urged to take note of the official record date on the 22nd of December 2023. Bonus shares alert. AlphaLogic Technologies Limited has revised and extended the record date for issuing bonus shares in the ratio of 1:3. This change will come into effect from the 22nd of December 2023. Strategic move unleashed. SM Auto Stamping Limited is initiating a share buyback program for up to 6 lakhs shares through a tender offer at a price of 60 rupees. The record date for this strategic move is set for the 22nd of December 2023. Decision on the horizon. Ecolifesciences Limited is set to consider the first and final call money on a rights basis, with a decision scheduled for the 14th of December 2023. Funding proposal ahead. LWS Knitwear Limited is gearing up to consider a proposal for raising funds by rights issue, and the decision is scheduled for the 18th of December 2023. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update. Share and comment your thoughts on the comment section, and stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.